Hi guys, this is Katie and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So it is a Sunday today. I had such a lovely day yesterday. I went to afternoon tea with the girls from work, and then I will be honest, I came home, had a little bit of dinner, but not really much because I was stuffed. Had an early night, and then me and Callum got up this morning at like 3 o'clock and we watched the football because Chelsea were playing, and then we watched the fight because Anthony Joshua was fighting, and then we went to bed, and it's now like 12:30. So we slept in, got up, and now we're going out for lunch in Bangkok. We're going to a bar that's not too far from us. We've actually been here recently, I think, in the Vlogmas, but I thought it would be quite nice to show you our little lunch that we have. But yeah, that's our day. That's my plan for the day. Then we're going to come home, and I've got loads of vlog work to do, so nothing too exciting, guys. Just a typical relaxing Sunday here in Bangkok. Also, by the way, if you're new here, my name is Katie. Me and my husband live in Bangkok, and I vlog about my life here, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you hit subscribe. Just as I finished recording this segment, my husband reminded me that it's Anthony Joshua, not Anthony Joshua. So this place have a deal with like a company called Smash Burgers, and it's new. So we're going to try a smash burger each. I've got one that's like Swiss cheese and mushrooms, which should be nice. And Callum's got a blue cheese one, so let's see what comes. Okay guys, burgers have arrived. So I've got a mushroom and Swiss cheese, and I got a side of chips. Callum has got these jalapeno poppers because he loves jalapeno poppers. With, what have you got?
Blue cheeseburger.
Can you open it for me, please? There it is. A blue cheeseburger, so bacon, blue cheese, red onion. Looks good, looks good. Guys, I couldn't resist. I went for a lava cake because, you know, it's a Sunday. It's nearly Christmas. These are all my reasons for having a lava cake on a Sunday. Hi guys, so just thought I'd have a little story time with you because me and Callum were reminiscing, and I thought I'd share it with you. So I've got a dessert and Callum's got a pint, and it just reminded us of when I had my graduation meal. So me and Callum have been together for like a year, and was it about a year and a half-ish, and we went out for dinner with my parents after I graduated university, and it was the first time I think we've been out for a proper dinner with my parents and Callum and stuff like that. And we went to a restaurant in England, and it was dessert time, and my mum loves desserts, and me and my mum ordered a dessert, and she was like, Callum, what do you want for dessert? And he was like, oh, I'm okay, I'll just have another pint if that's okay. Honest to God, my mum looked at me like, is he okay? Why is he not having a dessert? It was very strange. So now every time we go out for dinner and I eat a dessert and he doesn't, he's like, I'll remember that time. Yeah, little story time there. Hi guys, so it is now like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We came home and I'm now just editing. I am actually 2 videos behind, guys. I missed a video. Yeah, I just missed editing a video on Friday. I had such a busy day, and then I didn't edit the video to go up on Friday night, so I need to put that video up. No, not Friday, Saturday. I need to put Saturday night's video up, and then I need to edit yesterday to go up for today, so I'm 2 videos behind. But whilst I'm doing that, I'm also catching up on other people's vlogmases, so that is my plan for now.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We